New York City is located in the northeastern United States. In the northeastern United States, there has been a 1.43 degree Fahrenheit difference in the average temperature from the beginning of the 20th century to now. This is using 1901 to 1960 average and 1982 to 2016 average of temperatures in the United States. The warming is more pronounced in the winter, where there is a 1.7 degree Fahrenheit increase, while in the summer there is a 1.16 degree Fahrenheit increase in temperature. By 2071 to 2100, the average temperature could increase by 5.27 degrees Fahrenheit up to a potential staggering 9.11 degrees Fahrenheit, according to the RCP 8.5. This is a threat because it puts the region at risk for more intense and more frequent heat waves. This region, in New York City in particular, is prone to anthropogenic heating due to an increase in urbanization, and because in the northern hemisphere, latitudes farther to the north experience more warming. This is partially due to a decrease in the snow/ice, leading to a lower albedo, which means that less incoming solar radiation is reflected back into the atmosphere and instead is absorbed by the ground. There are a couple of options to combat these warming temperatures in New York City. An increase in green spaces in urban areas will minimize the impacts of the urban heat island effect. In addition to this, cutting down on fossil fuel consumption will minimize the impacts of greenhouse gases being added to the atmosphere.